Hi everyone, welcome to Quantreef. If you have been trading for any amount of time, you probably realize something. The market isn't difficult because there aren't enough indicators or attributes. It's difficult because there's too much information, too much noise, and too much emotions. One indicator will say buy, another will say sell. Social media influencers will hype a product, will tell you Bitcoin is going to the moon, while someone else is going to tell you the market is crashing. So the questions become, how do you separate facts from opinion? And that's exactly the reason why we created Quantreef. So what is Quantreef? Quantreef is a market analytic and probability platform built to help traders make more informed and data-driven decisions. Instead of relying on a single indicator like RSI, MACD, moving average, Bollinger Band, Quantreef analyzes over 100 multiple attributes, indicators, and dozens of layers to make the market data simultaneously to help traders make a better trade. It evaluates market trend, momentum, liquidity, volatility, market structure, volume, multi-time frame confirmations, and overall risk versus reward for every setup. Each layer provides another piece of evidence for the trade. When those pieces of evidence begin to agree with each other, the probability of the setup becomes stronger. Rather than overwhelming you with dozens of charts and indicators, Quantreef organizes the information into a clear probability score that's easier to understand and act on. It's one probability to rule them all. How does it work? When a trading opportunity appears, Quantreef isn't trying to predict the future. Instead, it asks three important questions. Is there enough market evidence to justify taking this trade? The second one, how strong is that evidence compared to other trades? And finally, does the potential reward justify the amount of risk we are taking? Every trade is evaluated with the same objective process. That means no emotional decisions, no impulsive trades, and more consistency. Remember, probability is not certainty. A setup with higher probability can still lose, just as a lower probability setup can still win. The difference is that over time, consistently choosing stronger evidence-based trades can help improve the quality of your trading decision. At Quantreef, our mission isn't to tell you what to think. Our mission is to give you better information so you can make better decisions. Market will always involve uncertainty, but uncertainty doesn't mean you have to trade blindly. With the right data, risk analytic, and a disciplined process, you can approach every trade with a greater confidence and a clearer understanding of the probabilities involved. If you are ready to move beyond the opinions, the hype, and emotional trading, you are in the right trade. Welcome to Quantreef. Data, analytics, probability, performance.